Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Special Chairman Trini Lunto, Orlando Pirates, top of the table. Talk to us.
Ya shabu kunjani bafethu?
Mnandi Chairman.
Mnandi awuthami. Yabona awuthami ngasho kumabhakane ukuthi singaqala espress ama panic button. Sase early awuthami. Yabona mawungabheka ama season a few andlulile by this time Sundowns bese shayelwe God of Honor bese inqandile league bese sidlalela number 2 no number 3 yabo but kule season bayasifila nabo awuthami baphefumela entameni yazi mawaka umuntu uphefumulela phezulu bayasizwa la uyabo ukuthi hayi lezi ziyeza isemva kwethu yabo so bafethu labafana laba sibagayini support sibanike ichance siyitshela ukuthi sobona noma ngabe igame yokugcina but khona into abayiphekayo labafana uthami khona into abezanayo singalahli ithawula amabhakane yasibe strong and then bese ngibonga isupport amfethu la eMzansi number 1 support amabhakane awana ndaba ukuthi during the week or weekend mabhakane ya support uthami and ayenza ngenhliziyo zawo because akhipha inyuku zawo kuze stadium uyayibona right bese ngize game now uthami egaming ngiphethe uSiyema ngiphethe uSibisi laba abantu laba yana bagade fidelity guard inyuku you understand inyuku iphethe chain ushama clean sheet yabona kule yathule yana une defend of the season senyagaya ke ungatshela abantu abaningi uSiyema yes uSiyema uzoyithatha i defend of the season ngendlela amabhakane yadlala ngayo uthiyami no coach wethu ukuthi asusele yantwana yethu umfuke ngayidlalise ku 10 bhakane yalishintshile ulibonile intwana ikhona kuba ne free roll sekhona ukushaya amabhanana into ezazishaywa ngolukuliya sagcina ngolukuliya le nto leyana sesiyakhona ukuyibona le nto leyo yabona so le ntwana leza uthami mangabheka i-tactical yakho coach wethu okay uhamba sometimes kube khona la isflopper khona phathi abuya regroup evie uyabona namhlanje even namalokhuzana akhe ama substitute akhe was on par ukufaka kwakhe ama substitute akayishintshile igame bonile abotito noma bangene late but bafike banyakazisa lapha afethu umbuli ufike wasilekisa le game uyibonile ukuthi ngathi bekushesha uMaster Chef wathi ayazi ngiyakhukha la wahlala phansi uyayibona uthami so mina igame yanamhlanje ngemnandi ngayo okay besine project yase KZN ukuthi kumele solanda 9 point eKZN azange kusenzeke but ibhola linjalo khona la uzodropa khona understand okwamanje into ebalulekile singa drop ngelose singamane strope ngelokhuzana ngedraw and ngicabanga ukuthi ama point ebekumele siwa drop sesiqedile ngamanje ukuyale entambeni uthami sesiphethe amawini phela ke manje ya manje siphethe amawini kuphela uyabona kufana nalama ice boy lawa weMamelodi Sundowns sesodlala nawo Sunday uyabona lapha yana uthiyami laba sofika sibahlabe ya laba sofika sibahlabe ngiyabatshela nje ukuthi ayibafethe yazinde webhakane yalikwata yakhona gadani intwana zase Big Institute eLondon eArena ziyayehla ziza ngaraye lokhuzana eFNB zizela into eyi1 nje kuphela zizoniqhamela uyayibona right yiyo nje into ekhona uthiyami but otherwise igame yanamhlanje mina ngiyibona imnandi 3 point 3 goals is fine sizothatha one game at a time sibe hambule kanje mabhakaneya sizobona ukuthi yophelela kodwa yona izolenda eLondon.
And then Chairman, we saw Undaba coming in today. Umbone kanjani Undaba?
Untwana unebhola yabona untwana nombuthuma mina ngibazi kubhakane ngibalandele esikhathini esibhaba sadlala from eKZN Undaba unebhola and Undaba unawo lama move akho ukuthi akhuphuke njengowothu yabona okay wotho ngeke ngithathe nothing from wotho is out yami otho ku age yakhe le yakuyo ayikho i-out engacompete nootho nge-age yakhe inkunzi le yana but ukugaya le yantwana le yana ichance namhlanje ayigayide full game ukuthi izibonakalisa ukuthi njani le yantwana le yana inalo ibhola iphethe ibhola lemnandi awuthiyami so ukufaka kwakhe Undaba mina angiyiboni iflop ukuthi ayenzile ngondaba yabona irotation the radio man ntwana nami kudala ngagcina ubonile kwenziwana kujahwa lapha ithi se18 ivala ithi vala umuntu azithuma amasi yena self kwaba yiliphathi ke lokuthi at least azanga khona ukuthi ashaye net you understand but ukulunga kwakapane ngalama game asel at least yenzani ishaye striking force sethu naso sibe strong nyana sesiyazi uRed upholile naye ukhona manje kusho ukuthi ku striking force sina extra 1+1 simnandi awuthami Msendane ubuyile Msendane nje intwana yami mina ngilezi ezingawagxeka ama player bhakane but ngiyazi ukuthi ziyangimamela yabo ngoba zike zingiringe ngamatsaptsap Msendane intwana yami ngithanda ispeed sakho nespeed esimnandi uyakwazi ukushaya -1 off the ball yabona ntwana yehlisa nje kancane ispeed ulihlabe ema-18 aborile bakhona bazokunika into ezimnandi ayikho ibhola elimnandi ongeke ulithole kurile uzokora nawo ntwana yakho uzoba mnandi bese ngithi kumbuthuma uThami ntwana ngokubonela ubreak virgin namhlanje yenza sure ukuthi from lana ke ntwana so mnandi kuya phambili shaya amagoli
yeah. Prediction against Kaizer Chiefs Sunday, Chairman.
Lapha uThama angi less than 3 lapha angi less than 3 lapha
Guys going straight, Chairman.
guys straight hayi thi kuloku ngiplus 1 ngibashaya 4
4-0 Mapagani, and there you have it.